Now we're going to do the eyebrows. And being Italian, I have really big, bushy eyebrows, as you can see. If you just comb them up, wet them, comb them up, see the hair? It's all sticking up. Just as simple as that. Just brush them up, comb them up with a nice comb. Then you get your scissors. And I'm going to just trim the hair that's sticking up. See? Just like that. Just the hair sticking up. Trim, trim, trim. Comb them back. And again, less is more. You can always come back and do it again. Another trick, you can actually take the comb and hold them up. So you can just take it, hold them up. See the hair? Then just where the comb is, you can just snip right on top of the comb. So that's nice and trimmed. And this one's really bushy. See how bushy it is? You push it up, you can hold it with the comb. Nice. And then just go ahead and trim right over the comb. You can hold the hair up with the comb. There. See? Then you can just take the scissors and just snip right across the comb. So less is more. You don't want to take too much off. You can always come back and trim them again. So how do I look? Like a really clean-cut Italian, right? Okay, Antonio did a good job. And tomorrow we're going to do the sides, the top, the crown, and partially coming back a little bit. A lot of tricks how to cut your own hair. Be your own hairstylist. Not only will you save a lot of money, but you'll save a lot of aggravation. You can trim and shape and cut your hair yourself anytime you want. Even when you're on holiday, all you need is, we have a whole kit. A pair of nice hair cutting scissors. And you get a comb. And of course, the lunar dates. You really want to cut on the right dates. All right. Looking good. Until next time.